Hey, good morning, K. Martin and Kertos. Last stream of the year. Can we have a winning day on the last day of the year? Got some W action on the hourly. Hey, what's going on, Mr. JD? I think NASDAQ's gonna actually retest up here, these recent highs. That's what I think. Got this hourly W. I wonder if it's gonna be a busted W though. Hey, good morning, Yusuf. Damn, I'm getting good, aren't I? So apparently I should have bought as soon as I marked that rectangle up. Jesus Christ. Ridiculous. The hourly just might rocket up to this next zone. Do not FOMO buy though. Gotta wait for something to develop. You got 4 or 5 candles sideways. Looks like something's trying to develop finally. See if we get that hard drop back to the open. All right, so it breaks his zone, comes back for the retest. But I think, honestly, I think what's going to happen is we are going to get an M pattern, but it's going to be a busted M, and NASDAQ's going to make new highs today. They might try some crazy shit. I mean, look at, in just 4 hours, look how much NASDAQ went up over here. Is it possible there could be another crazy rally? Oh, there was divergence right here. Yeah, that wick. Okay, so we didn't miss a sell. I missed a sell there. I think for 2022, we're gonna launch a crypto coin. We'll make the symbol $RU. Let's see how high we can build a market cap. If anybody wants to get on the bottom of a crypto, RuCoin would probably be it. The fuck is the Crew? Apparently there's a coin called Crew that just launched. Where did my markup go? It's on currency capital. I don't know where my markup went. Is that a kangaroo I see? Ooh, I gotta fucking sell! I gotta sell number 70, no 80, yeah. Or a 75 for 150 if we get the drop here. Why did that not register as a KT? Oh yeah, 100% sell. You got Divergence and a KT. I might actually need to enter another contract. One, maybe another. Yeah, I'm gonna throw out actually another contract. So I'll do 7 contracts. I want to heavy sell this. We got Divergence, we got a Kangaroo Tail. We do got a possible M. But remember, one of my analysis was, if you do put in a sell, okay, we could have a busted M, obviously. But I'm looking for the TP way down here, right down here. Come on, let's start this morning off right. We want to have a winning day for the last day of the year. This is the area that's going to be tricky, though. We got to bust through here ASAP. ASAP. Right there, that's the move I'm worried about. This little jump up now. So, I wonder... I might put in a hedge. I might put in a smaller buy. That way, if it does run up, I got a runner going. So, I'm going to enter a buy on 2 micros. And I'm going to put a stop below where that M is. That way, if I do lose this trade, I got a runner. And if we continue up, if I get the buy runner, I'll make back everything that I lose. Another Kangaroo, though. Another KT. No, this shit's gonna tank. I feel it. Like, we got a lot of divergence. Look how big that divergence is. Let's go, baby. Let's fucking go, baby. Let's hit all these fucking TPs down here. Come on. Come on. Let's hit these TPs down here. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm closing. That's how we do it. Quick little scalp. Quick little scalp. We got divergence, so that's a good spot to exit. I'm gonna put a buy in now. I think we're gonna go up now. I think we're gonna go up. I'll put a stop right below here. Off this divergence. I'll put a TP up here. Yep. Nope, that divergence is not enough. Yeah, another one right there. Could enter another sell right there, but retest closed. Okay. How far did this push down? I'm gonna look at that first one. All right. Okay, the first trade, one I entered right away. About 200. About 200 pips on that stop. Add 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm trying to calculate lot size up here. I think I made a major mistake on that sell. Wow, my lot size is not big enough there. I only entered 4 micros on there. I only entered 4 and I was a little late. Yeah, see, look. But optimal entry, you could have about 160 pip stop loss. AP at open was for 400 pips. What the hell's going on here? I gotta do a better job of that in 2022. With optimal risk here, I'm risking 160 for 400. That's the number I'm looking at. Yeah, that sell, it was a perfect sell. I think it could have been better though. I'm not happy with myself on that because it should have been at least at least $300 or $400. I think it's time to bring out the EA again, Kangaroo Tail EA. Do we implement the Kangaroo Tail EA in 2022? That's the only way. That is the only way you can get the perfect lot size on the fly without having to think about it. Like, honestly. Because my entry when the Kangaroo printed was... See, I was already 40 pips late. It had already dropped 40 pips. But stop loss was perfect. Had the M marked up about 10 minutes before it even happened. Oh yeah, I forgot Miles. I forgot about that. I think, remember that time? The accidental trade? But max position size I would do would be just... Wait. I forgot about that script. Or, I mean, I could just make it simple for me and just keep it on $1 per pip, you know? $1 per pip would probably be easier risk. But you know what? If we're gonna be in a downtrend today, let's see if we can get another entry. I know what we gotta do. Just wait. As we just wait for a double bottom W. Something like this, maybe? See what develops. These wicks right here. Gonna make new lows? Make new lows already? Let's see. Almost looking really good for another reentry right now, but with these wicks, I mean, might get a little push up. I need some redemption. This next trade, we're gonna do $1 a pip. $200 max loss. No, Big James. Let me check that out real quick. S&P. Oh yeah, see on the 5-minute. Oh my god. S&P. Huh. S&P with an even sexier kangaroo tail at the top. Holy fuck. $10 for 10. A micro lot? Okay. We're gonna start the $10 challenge in miles. I'm gonna go for $10 right here. We're gonna put a buy in. I'm gonna go 10 for 10. Whatever it goes first. If it goes -10, I close. If it goes $10, I close. If I win this, we risk 20 next trade. We'll bring back the 1-hour challenge right now. 10 for 10. For 10. I have a couple videos on that. I've only completed the 5-hour challenge 2 times. 2 times probably out of 50 attempts. But with the 1-hour challenge, you can be profitable with a 3 or 4% win rate. Might be developing into a sell. Hey, welcome here, Tyler. Welcome here. I'm up a little bit today. We took a couple trades. Took some nice sells. But it could be a lot better. See if we can get this leg down. Get some nice consolidation down here. If we get some nice consolidation down here, or KT, I'm going to enter a buy. Like I'm seeing, I don't know, sometimes just clicking this last week, seeing the markets more clearly. Like, and it's the same exact move too. Same exact move. M2W. And I didn't realize harmonic patterns are actually just M's and W's. I had no fucking clue. I guess harmonic is just some fancy word. Just call it M's and W's, shit. Yeah, that would be a good exit point, 2 miles. Though, we could have a vicious trend down right now. Let's see if it makes new lows. What's up, Big James? What algo do you got? Do we got any divergence? Got about 8 seconds. I will enter a buy. Okay. Okay, it's about 150, so we'll do 0.19. 0. Now we'll do 1. Okay, Kangaroo Tail. Give it a second. Give it a second. I'm in. Let's get it. I am risking 150. I'm risking 150 right now, guys. We'll go 150 for these wicks up here. Yeah, we'll go 150 for 300. All right. How is the last day of the year going to treat us on this buy? Am I going to get fucking owned right away? Or are we going to celebrate? Yeah, well, yeah. Well, that's the risk you gotta take. Woo! I just lost 150 in 20 seconds. Hurts a little. I took my setup. I don't see there's anything wrong with that buy at all. All right, let's pull up the stats for today. We're down 122. Not bad, not bad. Well, let's just look at the report for today. Let's go. We take 7 trades already. No sweat. One good trade and we get that back, plus profit. Yeah, that's why in my last NASDAQ video, I'm like, are you willing to lose 50 to 100 bucks in 20 or 30 seconds? It's not easy to work your way up to losing 157 in 20 seconds. It took me 2 years to be comfortable with that. Can you believe that? Actually, 2.5 years. Well, I guess the trend has spoken. Only be looking for sells. In fact, let's just look for the next hourly zone. Okay, at this zone right. Well, interesting. If we look at the W, okay, we are at hourly. We are at some hourly support, kind of. Ooh, ooh. That is a huge dump if we break that next zone. Or the hourly, at least. I mean, if it does break, there's these wicks like right here too. We can get a nice chunk of profit if we can get a little drop like this somehow. Okay, so here is this zone right here. If I sell now, I feel like it's FOMO because there's really no entry. I would rather. What do we got going? Possible trend? Okay. Maybe a trend line trade. Maybe a trend line trade. Oh, are you telling me that could have been my $1,000 trade, Miles? Could have been. I swear, we gotta crack those $1,000 trades next year. We gotta do it. I've done enough $500 trades. Yeah, sells only because we took a really good shot on that buy. But I think if we get some wicks on this trend line, I will put in the sell, and it'll probably look like this or something. Go down to this zone down here, which should almost give about 3 Rs. Well, yesterday I had a vision, and my count's only 77 right now. And I think by the end of the year, I'm gonna have a $77,000 account. I'm not gonna flip 7,000 to 77, but I will have a bigger account. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like, I'm already putting the vision in my head. I'm gonna be trading with a $70,000 or $80,000 account by next. Here's the date. Let's mark the date right now. Right here, December 30th. I'm gonna have at least a minimum $75,000 account trading live. It's on record, guys. It's on fucking record. I've already put it into the universe. Somehow, I'm gonna get a big enough account. Yeah. Yeah, what would 0.05% risk be on a 75? So it'd be about, damn, just a 0.5% would be just 375. Okay, damn. Okay. You only need 3 R's for a 0.5% risk at a 75K account. These are going to be the fun numbers, guys. Honestly, we should just build up the Rue crypto coin. Honestly. I've sat back and seen enough people make meme coins. It's time to make a Kangaroo meme coin. Time to make it stick. Yeah, the runners too. Like, you're talking about $3,000 or $4,000 mornings. We do got a third trend line touch right now. Would have rather seen a wick. Alright, if force index pops up here, we'll have bearish divergence. And then if we get a wick, and divergence pops up, time to sell. Come on, market, give us something other than that to just put a sell on. Give us a wick. Like, I would love to put the sell in, but I know that's asking to get easy stop hunted right here. So give me a wick. Let me know if any of you think it's a good sell right now. Tony said it's time to sell. You think it's time to sell even without a wick? Maybe we'll do like 125 risk. You already on? Cartos says wait for it. K Martin, no clear setup. Yeah, you're right. I don't think it is quite a setup yet. You're right. Are you asking like if I have a routine or just what I'm looking for in general? If you're asking what I'm looking for in general, it's just the Kangaroo Tails. I look for a lot of M's and W's now, and also trend lines. That's pretty much it. And of course, we do look at any divergences on the force index. No, I think I'm just lazy to get signed up for funding miles. I've just been lazy. Now, Martin, look at my last YouTube video. It was this one. It was this one. Basically, I just go over a big account. A lot of consolidation now. So I'll explain it on that. Yeah. So tempting for the FOMO sell right now, but I'm not going to do it. When you have a trading plan, I guess you gotta be willing to miss a drop like that, right? I said what I was looking for. It didn't show. I gotta stand by. There's 500 risk for 1,000. Yeah, I bet I would get a lot more stream views too. People see a $100,000 account being traded. Boss Hustler, you slept in? Good morning. Nothing but M's and W's today. Yeah, my goal for 2022 is to fix this damn mic. Whoa, that even got more loose. This shit is broke. This weekend, yo, this weekend, I'm gonna make the Rucoin crypto. And we'll be able to see charts and volume. I'm just like, if all these motherfuckers keep making these meme coins, It's time to get a piece of the pie, yo. Low circulating supply. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Can we make this shit go viral? To me, it looks like a pretty badass logo. You tell me this shit can't get to $1 million market cap. Shit, we're gonna get Rucoin to $1. Dogecoin couldn't get to $1, but we're gonna get fucking Rucoin to $1. I guess the trend is time to look for buys. Honestly, time to look for buys. Let's see if we get Rucoin to $1 million market cap. Divided by how many circulating supply? So if Rucoin, look at that shit, to $1 million market cap, and there's 100 million circulating supplies. That'll make it 1 cent. Yeah, $1 million. Yeah, let me make sure I did the math. $1 million market cap, 100 million circulating coins equals yeah, 100 million. Yeah. Well, if I made the circulating supply 1 million, yeah. 1 million, we'd have $1 per Rucoin with decimals. Oh, yeah, that's ridiculous. This one kid made $15 million on accident. He created a crypto, made $15 million on accident. I'm like, goddamn, I want that kind of accident. Wait, no, I couldn't make it a million circulating supply because that'd be too easy for $1. You want people to have to keep buying and buying and buying to make it be $1. So, $100 million market cap on RuCoin with 100 million circulating supply would equal $1 per RuCoin. I'll tell you this though, whatever you visualize will happen. Two and a half years ago, I made a fake Photoshop picture showing that I was withdrawing $27,000 from a broker as a visualization. 2 years later, I make a trade, my gala trade. 1,000 to 27,500. I withdraw 27,500 exactly, and I realize it. So my next Photoshop picture, I'm going to show me withdrawing $1 million, and I'm actually going to hit $1 million. Visualization. Yeah. Well, the turnaround point was, it was the hourly support. Yeah, instant rejection. Y'all, if we get rich off RuCoin, don't be liquidating your shit all at once. Oh, I think NASDAQ's in a tricky spot to trade. It's just boxed up. The thousand pip moves. You know what I've been slacking on too? NASDAQ retest. Excel sheet. See, for 2022, we're gonna be doing this sheet every single day. Basically, I measured every single retest day. I gotta fill in December though. I gotta fill in December. But check this out, okay? So in these columns, to get how it's gonna make us beast at NASDAQ. Time, this column is just gonna stand for how many 1 minute candles did it take for NASDAQ to retest open. Like for this instance, this example, 6:30. Here, this took 17 minutes for that to hit. So I would put 17, and I'll put how many pips it would move from the entry, Kangaroo Tail entry. Actually, no, the high. So that moved 551 pips. I put 551. Is there a candle? Which candle? Kangaroo Tail, any kind of wicks. I'd put bearish KT. What kind of pattern? Do we got M, W, head and shoulders, invert head and shoulders? Basic shit like 100 MA, is it above or below? Any divergences? And the open price, along with any notes that we need to note for specific patterns. To take it a step further, we can even we'll take a screenshot of every single one. And we'll put the screenshot chart on every single thing and basically have data everywhere. Like, no one else is gonna have this fucking data. I want to know the exact percentages of M's and W's at the open for the retest with the Kangaroo Tail. Yep, B. Hardman. Exactly. Does that coffee shop have Wi-Fi over there? Or are you still on your hotspot? Yep, that's a good idea. You want to do your first live today? Call it Wake Up with Amanda. NASDAQ is pretty choppy right now. There's no rush to enter a trade. Is this a signal, right? The market's closed like an hour early today too, right? But honestly, I mean, it looked like every move already happened. I'm sure we'll get random retests up to these highs, up to these lows, but that's that. Let's see the first video that I made this year. How many videos did I make this year? I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I only did 31 videos last year. I gotta level up. I gotta fucking do minimum 100 videos. But that does not include live streams. Trying to find my first trade. Okay, here's the first trade of 2021. Let's actually review the first trade of 2021. It looks like, okay, I entered off a trend line. That was US30 too. I definitely didn't mark up charts the same I did 1 year ago. Looks like I just got lucky on the drop. Only thing I had to enter was a trend line and consolidation. Yeah, I kind of want a Corona already, hearing a song about Mexico. Fucking 7:30, I'm thinking about a Corona already. I don't think I've ever had a Corona for breakfast. Y'all better write down your income goals too tonight. Minimum 1 million I'm going for. If I don't make $1 million by next December 31st, 2022, someone's got to come over and slap me. No. If I don't make $1 million next year, someone's got to come over with a kangaroo. Kangaroo has to have some boxing gloves on. There we go, I get slapped up a little. Yep, that's a deal, Miles. That's a fucking deal. I'm making $1 million. What the fuck is this, though? The fuck is this? He's taking some swing. Fucking kicked him. Oh, we got an alert. Yeah, did that guy just say a little bit of Mexican blow? Do I want to enter a buy? I'll enter one. I'll only go for 2 hours though. A very small trade. Risk 50 for 100. You got divergence on that, so I'm cool with entering it. I'll risk 50 for 100. Not quite 50, 68. We get that punch up though. Yeah, Tyler. If I win this trade, we're back to break even. Anyways, back to the Kangaroo Max boxing match. keep an eye on it to the right. Damn, that's crazy. Look at how he uses his tail. Damn. These fuckers basically just stand up on their tail. Where's it at? Like right there? Look at that. Look at that shit. That's crazy. They can stand straight up on their fucking tails. That's me getting stopped. And this is when a stop happens. You get kicked. Right there, that final one. That final one. Alright, guys, every time we lose a trade in 2022, I'm going to have a hotkey. We're going to have a hotkey, okay? Every time a hotkey comes, we're going to see this clip. Alright, guys, that may have been my last trade of 2021. I think I'm going to hang the day up. We're down 203. And that's all she wrote for 2021. That is my last official trade for 2021, guys. But I guess what we could learn from today is with optimal risk could have been a lot better. Boom. But I don't think nothing's going to change in 2022. We're still going to see the same patterns. Only thing that changes is the date. Yep, Tyler. See you in New Year. Next stream will be January 3rd. January 3rd will be our first trading day. Oh, yep. I will pop in there, Amanda. I will pop in there. Let me know when you're going to go live. Yep, see you next year, Lucas. All right, y'all. Happy New Year. Be safe tonight. Don't get too drunk. I probably only will have a couple beers, to be honest. Maybe a shot. Haven't had a shot in a while. Hell yeah, Miles. See you next year. Think I'm going to go kick some ass on some Call of Duty, make some breakfast real quick. Yeah, a penny short. I'm gonna blow past 1 million. And finally listen to that Lil Wayne song, A Millie. I can finally relate to that song. Peace out.